Hey guys, so I'm working on restoring my case model MTA Plow that I've acquired recently. Now, it's been a while now, and I figured people might like watching me go through and rebuild the Coulters for it. So these are factory case Coulters, and I'm going through and removing the hub assemblies from the blades. So there's 6 bolts, or 3/8 bolts, about probably an inch and a quarter, inch and a half. You'll see that later on, that hold that hub on there. They're fine thread, but I'm gonna probably change that out to coarse thread with some lock nuts or something like that. So this is a 216 plow. It's 2 bottoms, 16-inch spacing. Okay, so here we can see the cones basically that press into those hubs, and that's how you preload the coulters when they're on the plow. And I found out that if you get a section of tubing, you can slide those in the end, and they'll just kind of stay in there, so you can paint them. Because I don't really want paint on the cone surfaces, because that's where they're going to be riding inside those hubs with grease. So um, I decided to stick with the original case blades. I believe the literature says they come at 17 inches in diameter from the factory. These were measured at 16, so they still got a fair amount of life left on them. And I do believe these are the factory blades because they have the factory part numbers on them, or original case part numbers. So uh, I was going to use some Schaefer's chain lube to oil these up. I'm not going to paint them, and if you oil them, it keeps them from rusting as quickly, obviously. So later on, we'll put some oil on them to keep them in good shape. And for that, I just used regular engine oil or something like that, just something to keep the rust off. Um, the let's see here. I'm trying to think. Yeah, like I said, you can paint your blades. I chose not to just because I didn't have any gloss black. I didn't want to put any flat black on there, and it's gonna get worn off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I also from the factory, the case coulters are black. I was going to use gloss black, but apparently I misplaced my cans. Had a big can of flat black. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna use that for right now. It'll be fine. Um, for the hardware, so again, there's 6 3/8 bolts that go through the hubs for the coulters. So with 2 bottoms, or 2 coulters, that's 12 bolts. I'm going to get all new for that. The actual bolts that go through the entire yoke assembly and the spindle, those are 1/2 inch, and I'd say they're probably like, I don't know, 6 inches long. I'm going to take them all in with me when I get new ones, but there's like 6 inches long, 1/2 inch diameter. They're fine thread. I'm not going to use fine thread. I'm just going to use nylon lock nuts on it. I've done that before. Seems like it does fine, so I'm not worried about it. If I was doing, hundreds of acres, might do something different. And then I believe the locking collar that keeps the whole thing from falling off of the Coulter assembly is also 1/2 inch, like 2.5, 3 inches in length. Again, I'm gonna take it in with me and get all new hardware, but just so you guys are wondering if you're working on these things. Um, One thing I want to note is that in the center of those hubs, right, there is like a rubber bushing that uh, the hub rides on with that 1/2 inch bolt. Make sure you don't lose those. Make sure they're intact, and make sure they're still in there when you take them apart and then put them back together. And then I try to shove a rag or something like that inside the actual center hubs. That way I don't get paint and gunk in it when I'm painting it up, so I can put it back together. So hopefully I'll get the new hardware in here in the next few days, and we can go through and do the fancy reassembly with everything painted, and then put it on the plow. So actually, these coulters are going to go on my semi-mount. I've got another set on the semi-mount with jointers on them, and I'm going to move those over to the MTA when I get ready to do the rest of the build. And hopefully the camera will be around and we can shoot the restoration of the whole thing.